Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, the Explain Lab. For the past week we have been studying AI. We covered some topics. So, today I have decided to test your understanding and skills. I have curated a 10-question quiz. Without any delay, let's get into it. First question. What is meant by artificial intelligence, AI? Choose the correct option. Pause the video and think for some time before answering. The correct answer is that AI is a field aimed at developing intelligent machines. Option D is the correct answer. Some of you may have answered correctly, and some of you may have guessed it wrong. But don't worry. All the past week's episodes were still up on our channel. You can get back and rewatch the videos. Let's get to our second question now. Coming to our second question. What was originally called the imitation game? Again, what was originally called the imitation game? Now pause the video for some time and think. The correct answer is the Turing test. The famous Turing test was initially called the imitation game. Off topic, but there's a movie called Imitation Game. I want you to watch that movie. Now, third question. Who was responsible for inventing the Lisp language? Do you remember? Pause the video and think for 10 seconds before responding. Yes, the correct answer is John McCarthy. He is the one who invented the Lisp language. Now, fourth question. Which of the following is the function of an AI agent? Pause the video. The correct answer is to map the percept sequence to an action. Now, the fifth question. The fifth question is, what is the key characteristic of an intelligent agent? Option A, redundancy. Option B, complexity. Option C, autonomy. Option D, inflexibility. Now pause the video and think. The correct answer is autonomy. Option C, autonomy. Next, sixth question. The sixth question is, in intelligent agents, the term percepts refers to. Answer is data received from the environment. In intelligent agents, the term percepts refers to data received from the environment. Now, the seventh question. Which type of agent makes judgments based on current perceptions while ignoring previous perceptions? The correct answer is simple reflex agents. Coming to question 8. What is a key characteristic of an informed search algorithm? The correct answer is that it uses problem-specific knowledge to guide the search. Question 9. Which definition correctly define move for an AI agent? The correct answer is When the agent goes from one state to another, it is known as a move. Now, question 10, final one. A problem-solving approach works well for? The correct answer is 8 queens problem. Thank you for participating in the quiz. If you have scored well, then you can watch the next videos. But if you think you need to understand more, then I suggest revisiting the videos. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.